Hi friends, this is the question and we have to find Thevenin's resistance and Thevenin's voltage. So for Thevenin's voltage, write KVL Vx, let current is I minus 4I minus 4I and this voltage is Vx minus Vx. So from here I is 0, so VAB is equal to, because here current is 0, so VAB is 100 volts, that is equal to VTH, Thevenin's. Okay, so Thevenin's voltage is 100 volts. Now for RTH, Thevenin's resistance, the voltage source is short circuit and this is 4 ohm, and here in place of Vx 4 ohm will be there, so we can replace dependent source Vx with 4 ohm. Like this. So RTH from here 4 plus 4 plus 4 in parallel with 4 plus 4, that is 16 parallel with 16, that is equal to 4 ohm. So RTH is 4 ohm. Okay, thank you.